Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take an English Proverbs quiz. But before, let's see what is a proverb. A proverb is a short and simple saying that gives us advice, teaches life lessons, and shares truths about life. Where do proverbs come from? They come from real life experiences and are passed down from one generation to another. For example, don't judge a book by its cover. This means don't judge people or things just by how they look. Look before you leap. This means to think carefully before making a decision. Now let's take the quiz. Question 1. Don't put off until dash what you can do today. The correct option is B. Tomorrow. Don't put off until tomorrow what you can do today. This means don't delay tasks you can finish now. Question 2. Fools rush in where dash fear to tread. The correct option is D. Angels. Fools rush in where angels fear to tread. This means careless people do things that the wise avoid. Question 3. A chain is only as strong as its weakest dash. The correct option is C. Link. A chain is only as strong as its weakest link. This means the weakest member affects the whole group. Question 4. You can't teach an old dog new dash. The correct option is A. Tricks. You can't teach an old dog new tricks. This means it's hard for people to change old habits. Question 5. Too much of anything is dash. The correct option is B. Bad. Too much of anything is bad. This means excess in anything is harmful. Question 6. Even a broken dash is right twice a day. The correct option is D. Clock. Even a broken clock is right twice a day. This means even useless things can be correct sometimes. Question 7. A bird in the hand is worth two in the dash. The correct option is C. Bush. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. This means what you have is more valuable than uncertain chances. Question 8. Blood is thicker than dash. The correct option is A. Water. Blood is thicker than water. This means family bonds are stronger than others. Question 9. Opposites dash. The correct option is B. Opposites attract. This means people with different qualities often like each other. Question 10. Familiarity breeds dash. The correct option is D. Contempt. Familiarity breeds contempt. This means too much closeness can lead to disrespect. Question 11. Charity begins at dash. The correct option is C. Home. Charity begins at home. This means we should take care of our family first. Question 12. Every dog has its dash. The correct option is A. Day. Every dog has its day. This means everyone gets a chance to succeed at some point. Question 13. The best things in life are dash. The correct option is B. Free. The best things in life are free. This means love, happiness, and health don't cost money. Question 14. Don't burn your dash. The correct option is D. Bridges. Don't burn your bridges. This means don't ruin relationships or chances you may need later. Question 15. What's done is dash. The correct option is C. Done. What's done is done. It means Past actions can't be changed. Question 16. Good things come to those who dash. The correct option is A. Wait. Good things come to those who wait. This means patience is often rewarded. Question 17. It's no use crying over spilled dash. The correct option is B. Milk. It's no use crying over spilled milk. It means don't be upset about mistakes that can't be fixed. Question 18. One step at a dash. The correct option is D. Time. One step at a time. This means progress should be slow and steady. Question 19. A rolling stone gathers no dash. The correct option is C. Moss. A rolling stone gathers no moss. It means a person always moving doesn't settle or grow roots. Question 20. When the going gets tough, the tough get dash. The correct option is A. Going. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. This means strong people take action in hard times. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new. I'll see you next time. Bye.